So you want to learn to code? Great, but trust me, I wish someone told me these 10 things before I started. Let's go. Coding isn't about memorizing, it's problem solving. You don't need to remember every syntax, just know how to think through problems. Google is your best friend. Seriously, even the pros Google stuff every day. Debugging takes longer than coding. Get ready to spend hours fixing that one missing semicolon. Build projects, not just follow tutorials. Tutorials are great, but real learning happens when you build something yourself. Write clean code, you'll thank yourself later. Why in future you doesn't want to read a mess, comment your code. Don't just copy paste, understand. It works, but do you know why? Always try to understand the logic. Errors aren't bad, they're part of the process. Every bug you fix makes you a better coder. Learn Git early. Version control will save you from disasters, trust me. Master one language before jumping to another. Knowing one well is better than half knowing 5. You'll never stop learning. Tech changes fast, embrace the journey and keep leveling up. Now you're ready to start coding the smart way. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.